Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, His Excellency Abdul Shahid, High Commissioner of India, His Excellency Sanjay Sudhir, MDP Parliamentary Group Majority Leader, MP Ali Azim, Director General of HPA, Ministry of Health Affairs, Maimun Abu Bakr, officials of MOFA, officials from the Ministry of Health, guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It's a great honor to be given this opportunity to speak to you all on this occasion, where we celebrate friendship between our two countries, India and the Maldives, and the generosity of our neighbor, the Republic of India, in extending help to Maldivian citizens. India has always been, as Minister Shahid said, the first country to help the people of Maldives in our times of need. When Maldives was suffering its worst during COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, India provided millions of US dollars, 250 million worth of financial aid, and that is in addition to the medical supply, food supplies, medical teams, training, and all the other help that was extended to us. Being the first country to receive Covishield is just another example of India's generosity. I am ecstatic to accept this wonderful gesture of friendship. This is the arrival of hope in the Maldives and the beginning of us being able to provide protection against COVID-19 to all our citizens. In achieving this, I wish to thank His Excellency President Solih for his continuous efforts to bring these vaccines together with world leaders and especially with Premier Narendra Modi. With this very important step, Maldives can start its recovery back to its previous economic strength. And let me take this opportunity to thank His Excellency Sanjay Sudhir in particular for all the help he has provided to us since he accepted the Indian High Commissioner's post in the Maldives. Thank you, Sudhir. I would also like to take this opportunity to express or just say a few words about India. India's neighborhood first policy is really active and it is a generous policy. Thank you. India is providing vaccine to Maldives, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and the Seychelles under their region first policy. And I wish to thank the government of India, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for thinking of us and helping us during these very, very difficult times. We have lost some lives, we have had many people sick, and always you have been the comforting hand. Thank you, Ambassador. Covishield is the first amongst many other vaccines that we will bring to the Maldives. We have already signed an agreement with AstraZeneca Southeast Asia branch, and they have assured us that we will receive their vaccine very soon. This will enable us to vaccinate our entire population. Maybe we will be the first country in the world to vaccinate our entire population. I'm looking forward to working very closely with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, with Ambassador Sanjay Sudhir in acquiring further vaccines to Maldives. I wish to extend my warm gratitude to Minister Abdul Shahid for his effort, for his help that he has given to the Ministry of Health in providing and facilitating the arrival of these vaccines. Without his help, I don't think we would have achieved this success today. Thank you, Minister Shahid. Thank you very much, everyone. I also do recognize we have here the Commissioner of Police, Ahmed. Thank you for joining us.